Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 90 Lite device, and now I'm gonna show you really great thing how to improve battery life on this device. So if you can improve battery life on your device, it means that you are a really powerful user of your device. But if you know, so you can watch this video to be powerful user of your Honor 90 Lite device. So the first thing you can do the first action you can do to improve battery life on your device is to enable the control panel. And in the control panel, you need to disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't need Bluetooth right now, disable it. So we need Bluetooth only when we need to be connected to the Bluetooth devices, like headphones or I don't know, any other Bluetooth device. So disable this feature, because when it enabled, it's constantly searching for Bluetooth devices nearby. Disable Honor Share, disable portable hotspot and nearby share, of course. Disable 5G, and if you're using Wi-Fi and mobile network at the same time, so disable one of them. You can use only one at the same time network, but when the both are enabled, the both constantly searching for the networks. For example, Wi-Fi constantly searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks, and mobile data constantly searching for 5G, for 4G. So use only one network type at the same time. What about the location? Disable the location. And here we have the dark mode, so we can enable the dark mode, but here on this device we have LCD screen, not the LED, so dark mode is useless here. So you can just reduce the screen brightness to improve the battery life on your device. And the last thing you can do is to enable the battery saving mode. So you can add battery saver mode here, maybe, if you but power saving mode, it was here. So power saving mode is here in the control panel, so click on it to enable, and just enable the power saving mode. In this mode your phone will live longer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.